Hi guys, for my instructional tutorial today, I'm going to introduce you to Edulastic. Edulastic is an online assessment tool that makes creating and taking an assessment easy and engaging. It auto grades questions, it comes with technology enhanced items, and there's instant data for differentiation. And there's also Google integration. So here's how you sign up. You can log in with Google or you can create a username and password, your choice. But you will be linked to your dashboard, which you will have your classes. If you decide to sync with Google, all you have to do is click on Manage Class, sync with Google, or create class. Doesn't matter. Here's the classes I've created thus far. To get started, look on your left side. Here's your tools. You have reports, your library, your question bank, assessment items, and your dashboard. Your dashboard is where you will log in each time you log into Edulastic. Your assessments, all the assessments that you have created, once you've accumulated some, will end up in this folder. So these are my recent assessments. I can click on My Assessments, still, My Assessments, assessments assigned to my classes thus far, or I can even put these into small folders. Question bank. Anytime I want to begin a new assessment, I can click on the Assessments tab and make sure you select your grade. So this will be for 7th grade, subject math, Common Core, standard. Click our little window button here. 7th grade, let's say my quiz or my test is going to be on the number system. Choose your standard, 7NS1, done. And it loads. As you can see, there's 970 questions on this standard. At the very bottom, there's different pages with different questions. Any question you want to take a better look at, you can click on it. It'll give you a full screen. You can always go back. Also, this question here, add each pair of integers on the left and match them with the appropriate result. If I click on this is one of our technology enhanced questions. This would be a drag and drop. So these answer choices would be in the answer choices column, and the students would have to drag and drop them over. As you select your items, you click add. For example, if these are the questions I want, add. You can always review what you have thus far. So these are the questions I've selected so far, and it also breaks it up by standards and question types. Let's say I want to view it as a student. You can always view it as a student. This is the way the students would view it when it's actual test time or quiz time. Notice there's a navigation bar for students to navigate through questions. Students can flag questions, and there's your next arrow. Also, let's say we wanted to create our own question, author our own question. This is the really cool part. You have classic question types, multiple choice, multiple sections, and so forth. And there's also math tech enhanced questions. It goes a little deeper. Numeric, graphing, multi-part, number line, label and image, line plot, and so forth. When you're done, you click review, give it a name, 7.NS1 quiz. Publish or assign. Since I already have classes, if I wanted to assign this to all my classes, I can click at top square by class name. Now it automatically assigns this quiz or this test to all my classes. Click assign, and it would automatically show up on the student's bank. Or I could publish but assign it later. Let's say I'm not ready to assign it to my students, but I want to save it. Also, sharing level. You can save it as a private library. You can save it so any teacher at my school can see it. Any teacher in my school district can see it. Anyone with a link or any teacher in Edulastic can find the assessment. Your choice. Edulastic is a great online assessment tool. My students love it. It makes taking and creating assessments easy and engaging. Again, it auto grades questions. There's technology enhanced items. There's Google integration, and there's instant data for differentiation.